Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official. And in today's video, I have this Bolt charger with me, which I had basically purchased around 2 to 3 years ago. And I shouldn't say purchased because at that time Bolt was offering this charger for just rupees one. So for rupee one, I had just purchased this, but it was just lying dormant in my just a credit bed. Okay, so my bed was the storage box and it was there. And before starting this video, I would like to tell you that this video is about my experience with this charger. I'm going to cover everything regarding this charger. Okay. So this video might be long. So please stay till the end, and you can also fast this video like if even like you can basically turn this video speed to 1.5x for if you want to cover this quickly. Okay. So I basically purchased this for P1, and at that time my only motive or thought of purchasing this was that I knew that down the line someday I'm going to purchase an EV someday or the other. That wasn't dream basically. So I kept this because at that time this was very cheap. So I thought why not spend 1 and keep this with me so that someday I can purchase an EV and use this. And yes, that day has finally came. So earlier I had thought of purchasing an electric car, that is Nexon, but yeah, that was way above my budget. And now I basically purchased the Chetak. Okay. So yes, downgraded from a car to a scooty. So my Chetak is supposed to be delivered next week. And here you can see today is 30th. Okay. So 30th August, 8 a.m. Sorry, 30th August, 8 p.m. I am reporting feeding at night. And so my EV is going to be delivered next Sunday. That is on 8th September. So by that time, this charger would be installed in my garage. So let's first do the unboxing quickly. So this comes basically in this brown cardboard packaging with the Bolt logo, and it doesn't contain much. And here you can see these things I have bought by keeping this for like close to 2 to 3 years. Okay. So now I can remove this from here. So this is the charger itself in green and black, and you can see this when I had like opened this for the first time when I received this product, this all thing was intact, but now I think this has just started disintegrating. Okay. So no problem, we can just tape it down again. So let me just keep it aside over here and let's see what all comes in this packaging. Okay. Apart from that, we have this board EV charging point board, which you can just stick because stickers over here. I can just peel this off and then stick it on the basically the board. And this will have the QR code over here too for the payment for the electricity, and this QR code is here to just get a Bolt.Earth. And here we have this basically. So this is nothing but the user guide. So here you just had this to for playing around, and you can just scan this code to get the user guide on the smartphone. And here we have the unboxing and installation DRI from Bolt itself. Whereas here, how to charge your vehicle and all these things, we can just scan these individual plug codes and then get those units. And same over here for app. And finally, again, another QR code is over here, which I really don't know what it is. I think it might be for this charging only. This is also a sticker. Okay, so we check this on other day. And then we get these 4 screws, big ones and small ones to attach the charging. Now let's keep all this aside and then we will the box over here. And let's come to this. So one thing that is weird about this is that when I just move this like this, that's it here. I'm just flipping this in there. You can see something rattles around. I go to be clear this. So I don't know what it is, and it is from day one. And earlier I thought that this charger might be broken, but it actually works. I have seen that. So let me show you first how to install this. So inside of install this, you can just use any screwdriver to remove this plate. This back plate just comes off, and just give a minute. I will be right back with the screwdriver. So here's the screwdriver, and I can just place them over here and try to just lift this up over in this cap, and I will just let it like this. And same I can do over here also. You will see this entire thing will come off, and then I can just mount this on the wall or pillar, and then we can just insert the four screws here, drill the holes, and just get this stuff. And once that is done, I will just mount this charger over here on this slide. This mm, is all these things switching align, and this will come down. Now then, here I have screw two over here and two on this side. So here are just mounts that cordons those who's hold this in place. Then this comes with this wire, which is rated as, this is 2.5 square millimeter wire and rated at 1100 volts. So it's good. And here we have all the three pins, neutral, live, and earth. And we can open this over here from here. And here we have the MCB for on and off position. And this is one thing that I don't know why this does not stay like this. If I leave it, so just for, so I need to just hold it like this. And here you can see we have this plug point which supports both 6 amperes and 15 amperes. The one also we have small one integrated in this. And then here we have this switch for on and off. Okay. Now let's see how to, like, how this works. So basically I have, what you do, you will just use your smartphone to install the Bolt.Earth app, and you can just register your charger over there. App registration process is very simple. I have done it. And yeah, I forgot to report it, so I don't have it over in recording. But yeah, that's simple. And then you can just provide all your details, your bank account details and all. And the thing of this is that if I use this charger, that I can charge my vehicles. If I use my smartphone, then I will not have to pay anything. I can just scan this QR code, set how much for how many hours I want to charge, and it's just start charging. But if someone else uses their smartphone to do this, then they will have to pay for it. And the price I am going to decide it. I can put my price over there in a smartphone. And apart from that, basically, let me show that only. Okay, so over here now you can see on the screen is smartphone. Okay, and here I will show you how to set the price and do everything. Okay, so now let's test this up. So for testing, I'm using this extension board where I'm going to place these pins. And yeah, if you're trying to test this, please be careful. Okay, because these are just leaked wires and you can get short. What like to do it? So do this with caution. Don't ever touch the electrical cords on the wire, even though it's neutral. Okay. Just like this, like uh, do electric. So I just force these three wires in, and now let's see the magic. And switching it on from zero. Okay. I think power is not coming over here. Please switch off. Maybe this point is broken. Let's try it over here. Okay. First. Yes, now you can see this white light and then the green one. And with this, the board has is initialized step. Now I can just scan this and start my charger. Okay. So let's try that as it. Okay. So here my phone is here. Now I am recording this video on the Realme GT Master Edition. Earlier this video was recorded on Realme GT Pro on this phone. So I removed this and changed the base so that I can show you clearly. So now this is initialized, and now let's keep bringing my charger so that I can show you how it charges my phone on you. Okay, so I have my charger with me now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge my device pick up to the first. Before starting the charging, I need to initialize. So I'm just keeping it fill up on now, and I'll turn on my phone. I go to the Bolt.Earth app over here. And let me just start the poly over here as well, so that I can show you this as well. Yeah. So once I start the Bolt.Earth app, you can see it will ask me for a Bluetooth location permissions. I'd allow it because this is the Bluetooth model. And now you can also pay rupees 5,000 to get the latest one, which is the 4G model as well. Then I return on my location. And by the way, this 1 rupee thing has been now discontinued. So now you cannot get this for 1 rupee, sadly. So this you can here see my EV charging point, and it is 5-star rated at I only rated. So because no one has used the site by now, because basically this is not installed yet. So I can just come here. You can see here I set my amount and all. So let me first show you how this starts. So here you can see the QR code. I just go over there and then scan this. Once I scan this, you can see I'm waiting for how many hours minutes I need to charge. And here I have set up my vehicle as Jetta 312 watt. You can set this a vehicle when you open this for the first time. There you can see the vehicle settings. So now I'll just put this 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes is the minimum. So 10 minutes. See, since I am charging from my phone, so the cost is showing as if someone else use this, then they will have to pay. And you can see Bolt also charges some platform fee. I'm going to show that to you right now once we do this process. So start charging and just click on this. And you can see charger and my timer has already started. It's ready to charge. And here you can see I also got the message that my charger has been booked. And now once I click on start charging, it will start the timer. So first you can see the color as well. The color changed. So it is awaiting to start charge. So I can just plug this in over here. Okay. And now I'll plug the end on my device only. And let's see if I can charge my phone or not. And now I'll click on start charge. So you can see now my phone is not charging right now. As soon as I click on start charging, see the color changed. There was a click sound and it started charging up here. And by the way, here the MCB is on off position. So my phone is not charging. So timer is started running, but my phone is not charging because I have not turned on the MCB. You can see charging is not active. So I'll just turn it on now from here. You see, as soon as I turn it on, charging started. You can see over here. Now my phone is charging. And now this is going to go up to 10 minutes if I do not stop it. I can just close this and okay. So this is how it's going to charge, and while it is charging, I can just go back over there and I can show you the other processes. So over here you can see I have this my charges. I can just go over here in my charges, and here you can see my charger, and I can scan to sync data. And since I had purchased this for 1 rupee only, so I had only one option. Okay, something happens. See, red means it is not charging now, but right. I think since I moved away from this thing that's stopped charging. Let's see as and again no charge is not available. And okay, here I am getting now. So again it is connecting. Okay. Start. So basically what is happening is that since I moved away from this, I think somehow this lost Bluetooth connectivity and charging stopped. So this also I will going to check once I install this on like my premises, that can do I need to stay there with this phone, or I can just leave it or not. So what's the condition? So I can just remove it and let's see if it is charging or not. One here it's charging for now. And what will happen if I just finish this? Okay, it's still charging, but I don't know for how long. So I'm basically opening this app again, and here I can see microfied, my chargers. Here even set everything. Okay, so view more. If I go, you can edit the details over here. I've added all the details of my charger. Here I am options for public paid or public free only. I cannot keep this for private because this is like I purchased this for 1 rupee. So Bolt's not allowing that. And you can also set your availability as for how long this will be available. And again, see, I moved away in the app. So basically, app should be there open in the phone in the background. You cannot to move to other state. Then it just disconnects and then it's again waiting that I will like and it is disconnected the charger. Then again here you can see the charging rates. You can keep track for what amount you are paying for electricity and what amount you are charging. So for now I kept this 30 so that no one comes here and asks me for the charger because yeah, this is not installed. Then I do have no option now. Once I register, I have no option to unregister this. Availability also you can set. I set it for 24/7 for now. And address and location no. Okay. And my charge is not shareable because again, this is the 1 rupee month. If you purchase this charger using like pay 5,000 rupees, then you can use all these functionalities. That's one. So for now, that was all that I had to discuss about this charger. And you can let me know if you have any questions regarding this. Any questions you can comment in the below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it